Hi, I'm Ashley Mazurek, and I am offering a Healing Through Forgiveness workshop. It is a day long, and what we're going to talk about is how we can create a more kinder, more compassionate, loving self. And part of what that means is defining what forgiveness is. And forgiveness within ourselves, forgiveness and with others, and what those traumas that have been created within our life have caused that bit of stuckness that keeps us from fully forgiving. We're going to move into the traumas, the personas, and the masks, and the negativity and the triggers that cause our relationships to be at dis-ease or contentious, and create an understanding wrapped around that. We're going to understand those stories, and we're going to get behind those through the act of using our journal and discussions in within class that I merely invite you to participate. You don't have to participate, as we'll have our journal to document this and learn different technologies that you can help within yourself in the future after this workshop. We're going to look at the perfect apology and what that means for us as to what we need within our relationships and how we can give an apology to another. Get behind what that means and what that represents and the words we can use. The more compassion and kindness and love we have in our heart, the more we're willing to work on these relationships and feel more whole. And that's the point of this workshop, is to build a more authentic, higher loving self so that we can heal relationships that may be broken or traumatized, that need healing, so that we can be our best version of self and start to manifest the abundance that we're looking for to create the happiness that we want. We're going to have these group discussions, and it's an invitation. We're going to learn those technologies, different things that we can do to help ourselves move into a better place, to create the happiness that we yearn for and we long for to have within ourself first, to create that peace inside of ourselves and then with others. Every relationship has an opportunity to grow and to be better. And so I want to help you with that. So there are 3 dates that I have listed for this workshop. My invitation is to look at any one of those dates that you would be willing to come to and invite yourself to participate in. And I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this, and maybe I'll see you at the Healing Forgiveness Workshop. Thank you.